So this is off Oldfield Road. Where you see this water, I already complained, there's at least a meter has been dumped here. And as you can see back yonder, he's put in sea containers for storage, and probably, I dare say, well over 1,000 tons of crushed stone, which was then compacted, along with probably 5, 6, 7 years of fill has been dumped in this area right now. And this is it. Road, 4th concession. All this area has had well over a meter of fill and stone dumped. You can see the sea containers. And this is my farm over yonder, where I planted over 12,500 trees, and my property is basically straight ahead. And now, this flooding here, bear in mind, my land is the dry area on the west side, and you can actually see right in front of me trees that were planted probably 5 years ago. They'll show up on the satellite map, and now all that's underwater. And yet this man on Oldfield Road that owns all this waterlogged property will be dumping a minimum of another meter in here. Now, where's the logic in that? Any of the green trees you see there are on my property, but they're underwater. I planted over 12,000 trees, and all that land is flooded now because the Conservation Authority and the Hamilton Building Department, Bylaw Department, allowed this dumping to not only to start illegally, but to continue.